stay and enjoy. Play a safe Holi by using natural colors. There are many kinds of Holi colors available in the market. Many of these contain chemicals in them which are harmful to the skin and eyes. These days organic colors are available, or we can also make Holi colors at home which are not harmful to the skin. Now I am going to show how to make Holi colors at home. Come on! Now I am going to show how to make yellow color. A little turmeric powder dissolved in the water with a double quantity of gram flour. Yellow color. Now I am going to show how to make green color. 1 spoon of henna powder and 1 spoon of maida powder. If you don't have maida powder, you can use gram flour. Mix this into the water. Now our green color is ready. See, it is beautiful. Onion peels soaked overnight use pink color to the water. I have soaked onion peels overnight. It gave pink color. To remove the smell, peels should be removed. Now I am going to filter this. Now a pink color is ready. A magenta color can be obtained by mixing rendered beetroot in the water. Now I have rendered this beetroot. Now our magenta color is ready. A little turmeric powder and squeeze lemon into it. Coffee. Now pour this color into the water. Another color is ready. Now our Holi colors are ready. See? Have a safe and happy Holi. Thank you.